Good morning, sophomores, and happy snow day. I don't know about you, but I was not expecting a snow day today, so this is exciting. As you know, it's a digital day today, so make sure you're doing all your digital day stuff for all of your classes. Your digital day for me today will be I excel in Algebra 1. Make sure you go to Algebra 1. I don't even know what F11 is in geometry, but you probably don't know how to do it. So make sure you're in Algebra 1, F11 to 80. And it's just on similar figures, and I will show you some examples here before I end this video. If you did not finish last week's IXL, S10 to 70, so that would be Liam and Natalie. Make sure you two also finish that one today. But everybody also needs to do F11 to 80 in Algebra 1. So let me open up F11 here. So here's F11 in Algebra 1. So it's just setting up proportions and solving. You're not doing perimeter or area or volumes. You don't need to cube or square or do any of this. You're just setting it up and solving it using proportions. So here we can see that we have J is this length, 4 is this length, 10 is this bottom side, and 5 is this bottom side. So you're just going to match up the parts with proportions like we've done for a long time here and solve. So I'm going to write J over 4 and 10 over 5. So, excuse my handwriting, this is using my mouse. J over 4 and 10 over 5, and then we're just going to solve it with proportions. So 5 times J is 5J, 4 times 10 is 40, so then 40 divided by 5 would be 8. So if I go back here and I enter 8, that'll be my correct answer. So if I do another one here, 8 and W match, 4 and 5 match. So let me erase. I forgot it already. 8 and W, 4 and 5, so you just do 8 and W, 4 and 5. So again, we're not squaring or cubing any of this, you're just setting it up and solving. So 8 times 5 is 40, W times 4 is 4W, so 40 divided by 4 will be 10. So I'd enter 10, and that'd be my answer. That's how they all are. It'll get you to 80. If you have any questions, though, please make sure you ask. You can message me on Remind or on Schoology, and I would love to help you out. Just make sure you get this done sometime today. I hope you enjoy your snow day, and I'll see you tomorrow.